How to delete a stock from a watchlist on Stocktwits. Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are on Stocktwits and trying to clean up your watchlist, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open Stocktwits app on your device and make sure you're logged in. From the home page of Stocktwits, go ahead and scroll down and get to your watchlist tab. In order to delete a stock from your watchlist, swipe left on your watchlist and you'll see a little trash can icon. Tap on that. On your Android device, press and hold on the stock and tap on delete or the trash icon, and the selected stock will be deleted from the list. The stock will instantly disappear from your watch list. No need to save, changes happen automatically. Removing a stock doesn't delete any post or history, it just clears your view. You can always add it back later anytime. So there you have it. Keeping your watch list clean helps you stay focused and makes tracking your favorite stocks much easier. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again with more tutorials like this. Stay tuned and goodbye.